What's up, YouTube Nation? Griddle Guys here. Today we are going to be cooking taquitos on the griddle. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to call BS. I'm going to call BS on the good source of protein right there. I mean, clearly there's way better sources of protein than taquitos. But anyways, these come out really, really good on the griddle. Griddle guy Chris is going to be cooking them today. Say hi, Chris.
How you doing?
All right, so he's going to be cooking them. The nice thing about cooking them on the griddle is it's pretty much very similar to deep frying them. So you get that really, really crispy outside. You just got to roll them a lot in the oil. All right, so here we go.
All right, so we're going to get started here. Got some medium heat going right now. Going to throw some oil on. Let that get up to temperature. Going to open up the bag of Tostitos.
Not Tostitos, they're taquitos.
Taquitos, sorry. You can say that up loud. You don't have to be quiet.
All right.
Don't take a knife out when you do it.
I'll get it back. You got it?
So we're just going to wait a little bit for that. No,
Let's see
not
if it's,
bad.
that's pretty hot.
Close.
You got to see the sizzle.
Yeah, we're good.
All right.
That's a good sizzle. Yeah? What do you think?
Yeah, that's good. If they're not sizzling, heat the griddle up hotter and then put them down. Otherwise, they just get squishy in oil and it's not good.
How many do we have? How many should I cook?
I don't
Just a
know.
little appetizer today.
Maybe like 12, 10.
3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll go 11.
All right.
You usually dress the oil on top or not?
Yeah, I do. Because you wanna keep like a pool under them. See how you have no oil pooling. Yeah. See that sizzle? There we go. Yeah, you can see it on the ones you put oil on. You can see. I don't know if I can get it on the camera, but you can see some of the oil sizzling.
These should cook pretty quickly.
They take a little longer than you think, surprisingly. Yeah. Like a. There you go. I'm gonna start twisting them for up. Yeah, see? The browning. Smell good.
Yeah.
So what you want to do is keep rolling them in the oil until they're brown and crusty on all sides. Hot. Yeah, it has to be hot. If your oil's not hot enough, you're just coating them in oil, you know. So that's what makes them crispy. Yeah. That's yours, not mine.
You guys will find out that we're not cooking unless we're drinking. 99% of the time.
All right, so these guys are getting close to done. We've had them on about maybe 4 minutes. Chris is fighting the heat. A lot of heat coming off the oil and the griddle. It's hot. But you see some of the cheese sizzling. Or starting to bubble out. All right, so that's a sign that you're getting close to done. You can leave them on as long as you want. Just keep twisting them. There you go. You see the cheese running out of the ends. Nice brown crust. Didn't take very long. Chris is going to pull them, and we'll serve them. So they're done. Nice and crispy, delicious. I'm just going to let you hear how crusty they are.
That's crusty.
Yeah, that's what you don't get when you bake them in the oven and what you do get when you cook them on the griddle. So that's a quick little video. Get some salsa, some sour cream.
No. But, so there was
Good?
Perfect.
Crunchy?
Really good.
Nice and warm and gooey on the inside.
Perfect temperature. The sour cream makes it great. Yummy. That's good.
So you didn't post it.
Thanks for joining us. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. We'll see you soon.